Alright guys, and now we are going to arrange this bed guys for our garlic. Kasi malinis na kasi yung bed. The bed is clean. I just have to pull out some of the malva, and I will move a little bit of the soil, and then I will just add maybe a sack or a bag of compost, and then let's plant our garlics. And I haven't cleaned them yet, so gawin din natin yan. Yes, like this. Yan. So piliin natin yung mga malalaki, as in na malalaki sila guys. Look. So isang ganito na itanim natin, pag ano guys, pag mabuhay siya or as in na maging fully mature na siya, so maging ganito guys. Kaya as in na marami talagang garlic ang maitanim natin dito. Can you see that? I have to count how many heads of garlic. Yes. And look, as in talaga na marami yung nabili ko. Tapos bumili din kasi ako ng another like this, pero yung sabi nila na garlic tender naman yun guys. Yung as in na you can consume it fresh. Pero ito talaga yung as in na pangtago. Ito yung sabi nila na ajo para guardar. Yes, aisles para guarda. So ito yung variety niya guys. Tapos yung isa na nabili ko, na sabi ko sa inyo, as in na to consume it fresh, na parang ganun, parang yung ganun na leaves ng leeks, ganun kinakain nila yun dito guys. And so ang ginagamit ko naman yun guys, hindi ko na itinanim yun, ginagamit ko na yun as panggisa. Kasi as in na ang lalaki kasi nila guys, ang ganda. So mga ganito, dalawa lang okay na siya. Can you see? The clove is really big. Ayan. So yun, i-prepare natin, i-ready natin ito guys. And then after that, we will plant our garlics. I hope I have enough time to plant our garlic. Okay, so I just finished preparing this bed. I am just waiting my husband to help me carry 2 sacks or 2 bags of compost, and that's what we are going to put on top. Can you see? I love the outcome guys. So I prefer to use the natural materials like the woods, as you can, or the logs. As you can tell that it's nice, it's beautiful. For me it's the best because once these logs will decompose, of course they will go to the soil. That is the cycle of this organic material. Yeah, so nice. I love it guys so much. And I'm not sure how many garlics I can put in here. So ayan guys, ang ating garlic bed. Yeah. So once you enter, this is the gate guys. This is the main gate. I mean, I have 2 gates, but I always use this one. Yeah, this one, once you enter, and then you will see this garlic bed. So this is the bed where I planted the onions before last spring, and this time we are going to plant the garlics here. And meanwhile, we are going to clean the garlics guys. I mean, like this. And yeah, and then it will be ready to plant garlics. Okay guys, so my husband just helped me carry this one guys. He brought it here, and he brought it here, and I put in this bed, and now we are going to spread this properly, and then we will plant. Yeah, so that is the bed of our garlic. And I also prepared the garlics, and they are ready to be planted guys, these ones. And now the bed is ready guys, so let's plant. So 2 rows, guys. Okay, all right, guys. So I just finished planting the garlics, and now until that side, guys, until to this small shovel, until to this shovel, and then we still have space to plant. But I still have a lot in here, guys. But the thing is, I called a friend because we are going out. We have to go to the grocery store. So I will stop it. I didn't finish planting the garlics yet. Cloves are big, guys. Alright, guys, so I just finished separating them. So these are the ones that are okay to be planted, and these are the ones, guys, that I am going to use for cooking, because they are, you know, they are flat and they are very small. Yeah, like that, this one. So these are the only cloves of garlics that are okay. So let's go and plant these ones, guys. Okay, guys, so I laid down everything. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure if we are going to have enough garlic, guys, this year. Maybe I have to buy more. Very good, darling. Yes. Lakota, help. No, don't take it out, darling. No, tiga. Ba? Don't take it out, huh? Yes, guys, and now I'm going to cover them.
Wow, Mama. Mama, look at that. Mama, look at that.
Very good, darling. Yes?
Look, look, look,
Look,
look.
look, 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 look.
Look, Mama.
Yes, darling. Very good.
I don't stop him.
Now we are going to cover them. Okay? Like this. Y ya está, tapa, Amaisho, mira. ¿Ves? Así. Y ya está, mira, very good. Huh?
Ya está tapado.
Sí.
Mira, falta una mesita. Ya está.
Si, molde, cariño. Very good, darling. Molde. Hooray! Okay, so I will use this one. I will put here. So I will plant more garlics here, okay? Lakoting? Ah, it's so warm, guys. And now we are going to irrigate a little bit, and then we will cover it with hay. Ah, the sun is so nice. It's so warm today. And this one.
It's a garlic.
Yeah. Wow! It's a garlic, yes. I know it's not a garlic. I thought this is a garlic, guys, but it is an onion. OMG. I thought a garlic already, but that's onion. Okay, so we will irrigate, and then we will cover it, guys, with
It's cacao.
yeah, with caca, but cacao of the sheep and goats. Okay, Lakoting? Okay, guys, so I will irrigate once more so the soil will absorb the water. And now, guys, we are going to go get hay, and we will put the hay on top. We will cover it with hay. Okay, guys, so I just finished covering our garlic bed with hay. Look. So that is our garlic bed. I'm going to buy more and I will plant that side, guys, because we still have space.